My objective today is to win the competition, of course.
We had a lot of training.
I have a great theme. It's called Dream It, Machine It.
Of course, I hope we win.
At the start of the week it was kind of funny, but then we started making our last part. It got stressful.
The next objective is maybe winning and enjoy the adventure.
So with ProjectMFG, we have the students design some parts. We sent one of the parts that they had to make a known part of it, and then they can design their own base, basically. So you'll see that really their artistic skills, what they can do. They have to bring that part to the contest.
There's some stellar parts out here. I mean, we have a boat from Denmark. We have the Eiffel Tower from France. Very, very, very special job. Very unique. Caleb, what do you think about them?
I think it's awesome. I've never seen such creativity.
Have you ever made like a boat like that before?
I have not. No, I've never even thought about it.
I wonder how many hours it took to make that.
My guess is 12.
12 hours?
12 hours.
It's a word part. And the Eiffel Tower, I mean, all that detail down there. That's insane.
It's crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
The best thing I see about this project is it gives these students a chance to showcase what they've got. And in the real world, they go to these jobs and they have to showcase who they are and what they can do to their boss.
It's a big event and maybe other works or people, when they saw the curriculum, they can see what I did.
After coming back home from this project, we learned that simultaneous, so we can use it at work. We can do the harder parts.
We learn how to use Haas machinery, and in the future, like if we want to work somewhere else, we can work with companies that has Haas machinery.
Yeah.
This project allows us to, let's say, compare our skills to others, understand where we are.
What brings me here today is actually my teacher. He asked me to come to this competition one time, so now I'm here for the second time for the competition because he wanted me to go again. So I just, of course, said yes. Of course, I hope we win, but our strategies, I think they're gonna be good. I think we can push it a little further than last time, so I hope for the win.
L'obiettivo di gara è la produzione dei pezzi.
This is our first competition at all, especially for our students, and so we are here in order to learn something, and this is the real aim of our equipe, our team.
Di migliorare, non mi viene in mente altro.
The only thing is to improve ourselves, our knowledge.
The objective is learn. The next objective is maybe winning and be funny and enjoy the adventure, see the country, and naturally do the object.
Along with that connection model or part that we gave them one of the trophy pieces, the middle part, that they could actually program at their school and actually make parts at their school to practice for the day of the competition. When they arrive here at the school then, we gave them another surprise, the top part of the trophy, that they had to program and make that. So one day is programming, and the next day is at the machine. So they have to make two complex 5-axis parts on the machine here at the school. The one that they already had for a month, the other one is the surprise part they got when they were here.
first year when we have the 5-axis machines at our school, so we are quite less experienced with these machines, and to already be on bar is, let's say, a good feeling. It shows that we have correct basics and are thinking in a correct machinist way.
Yeah, it's really important. We gain a lot of experience here. We don't used to the 5-axis job. We are used to only 3-axis, a little bit simpler 5-axis, but it was fun, it was nice. It's a good competition.
For me, it was also interesting because we haven't did parts like this.
We also can teach our other students a lot of this because they don't really know much. We are the best in Lithuania, yeah.
Yes, my mate is very good, totally sure of his work. I'm pretty confident with him. Matthias doesn't stress any at all. But for me, it was very stressful. And the thing that we do this competition at home, it's another stress that we have. But right now, it's good.
They start with some great skills, okay? To compare, we have a raw material, and after the journey you have a diamond. Because they are faced to themselves. Nobody can fix the issue that they can meet during that, and they nailed it at the end of the day. So I'm very, very proud of them, and maybe today my students are better than me, which is the goal of any instructor in real life.
I think my team actually did an amazing job. They were working super calmly. They were focused on what they are doing. They thought through all the steps they had to do before the setup and running the machine. So basically they did not do any big mistakes at all.
Another great thing that this project does is it introduces all these different people together. You have different people coming from different places, and they've got the chance to connect with each other and talk about different things that they can do to better themselves. They all see manufacturing is the same. It's anywhere you go, it's the same.
And then this year we actually added another component. Each team has to make a medallion or a medal with the ProjectMFG logo on one side. The other side is their creative side again, that they got to design that and program that and run 6 medals. And then at the end of the competition, each team will exchange medals so they can take something back from each school.
So this is something new we started this year. We'll probably make this a tradition, and this is one way that we can share and become a family across different countries.
I think it's nice that we have a project where we work together this time. I think we have good communication. I'm just happy to be here. I think it's very fun, and I'm glad to be here with the people I'm with.
The ProjectMFG gives the students an amazing opportunity to show off their skills, meet new people. They have a new relationship for the future, and hopefully this project will grow bigger and bigger in Europe.
I think it's not being the best, but being the best with myself, for be proud of me and knowing I can do something.
The project is important because of the journey, always the journey. You start, you are brand new from this competition, and you will learn so many things about you during this journey. The relation between the instructor and the student, the relation to student, and it's very, very a rich feeling. It's only love.
Part of the grading process or the scoring process, we took them bases into the CMM, the coordinate measuring room that showed red and green. Red's bad, green's good. So we're going to be doing that to every piece. And then on Friday, we'll have an overall winner.
Yeah, the measuring results were actually really good. I think every measurement was actually green. Maybe we had one red in the first one, but this is, let's say, not controllable really. So yeah, went really good with the measuring. All the teams have their chance. Everyone can win here today. It's just the determination, the motivation. If you work hard, you have more luck to win the competition. Of course, the work is the most important. If you didn't do any work, you cannot win.
To the other students who will compete in this competition, they have to prepare it hard, do it all the work, because it's hard. It's a really hard competition, hard part. You need to know what you're doing, because it can finish in a hard crash.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be scared because everyone is very friendly here.
Yeah.
And very helpful. So if they want to try it, just go and try it.
Good luck for the future generation.
Okay, guys, we need to talk about the scoring. Who's going to win this competition? So let's walk our way through the base to the top and pick out the best team. What do you think?
So what do you guys think about the base? Who has the best base?
Here, I don't know.
Visually, I think that Denmark had the best base. It was super cool, a lot of hard work and detail.
It was that's probably the most detailed one, but then you have France's that has the Eiffel Tower.
And
the Olympics and the Los Angeles, France connection.
I totally agree. I think that one's probably a better one, maybe.
And then Estonia has,
They had the flower. The flower thing was very nice, simple but elegant.
Yeah, the surface finish was nice.
Yeah.
And Lithuania had a basic design, but very, very functional.
Yes, it was good. So I think it's a tie between France and Denmark, likely, right? Okay, let's move on to the centerpiece.
The neck.
The neck.
Okay.
What do we think about the neck?
All of them got them done. Everybody used different strategies, right. But time-wise, I believe France was pretty quick. Estonia was probably second. Denmark and Lithuania was kind of slower on them, but they all turned out pretty well.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
I think Denmark is focused more on making a prettier part. I think their surface finish is going to be nicer. They spend more time working on that.
Overall, it might be Estonia.
Estonia there maybe is the best.
Estonia and France.
I think Estonia's got the mix of quality and time.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Then the surprise part, the trophy
top part, the top piece.
The most difficult. This was the surprise part. Again, France was the fastest.
France went very fast. Yes.
Estonia was pretty efficient. So it's kind of a toss-up.
It's kind of a toss-up, right? So I don't know. We're going to have to go each piece and do a simulation of what that might look like and extrapolate out to make a perfect score and then backtrack it to get a winner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's all going to come down to the CMM.
(2024) Project MFG International Competition. First place team, Estonia. Mattis, the coach.
We have been here. Robert Juss has been in the competition 2 times. For me, it's also the second time, and couldn't be happier to have finally won it. Yeah, we have two places, and now finally won first. So quite a really nice feeling.
It's been a tight race. I'm proud of Estonia. They competed in the last competition we had in Europe, and this year they've been doing really good.
No, I'm just thankful for the school to host Project Manufacturing. You know, if it wasn't for schools like this, we wouldn't be able to be here and to host these contests. And it just amazes me to see the dedication to all the students that are competing. From futures, who knows what's going to happen? It's going to be probably a very hard contest to judge to find a winner, because I think the students are going to be up to that level to be that successful on all them projects.
Come to the ProjectMFG competition and try to beat us. So next year, let's say, we are not there, but next students will come and let's say, keep the level up. So come here, try. It's a really fun competition, especially you can travel to foreign countries enjoy the culture and at the same time make some fun making chips. Yeah, it's a fantastic opportunity to get out of your own workshop and just come here, see the world and show the world what you can do.